With some extremely remote gates, the SureFi Solar Kit may be just the product you need for power and credential signal with no trenching.
Afternoon when I got it up, it's like 4:30, so the sun was way over there, and this was reading like 13. Yeah, it was putting out a lot of power.
I'm here with the Flying Locksmiths in Virginia Beach, and another reason for my visit was to show how the SureFi power consumption can be reduced through the app to save battery, as the signal only needed to go about 50 yards through a few brick walls. To adjust the power, first open the SureFi app and scan the QR code on the front of the device. Click Advanced Settings and hold the test button down for 5 seconds. You'll now need to click on the top gear and wrench icon in the top right corner and enter a PIN number, which will be given to you through the assistance of SureFi support. You will now be able to hit Configure Radio and adjust the radio based on the sliding scale underneath the power. You can go down to very small amount, or you can keep it somewhere in between based on whatever your needs are. For this application, we put it at 1/8 of a watt, substantially less than the customary 1 watt power. The SureFi Solar Kit makes it all wireless. Win the bid with SureFi. For technical and install support, call us at 844-787-3340.